Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see some spoilers for the Ultimate Glam Bag for October of 2020. Wow, is it like really crazy to say October? I've been saying this in the beginning of all my videos, but it's like so true. Like October is mind effing me right now. Like it doesn't seem like next month is October, like at all. Like at all. If I'm being completely honest, does it feel like it's gonna be October next month for you? Was this a very long year, or was this a very quick year like me? Let me know down below. Anyways, we're gonna be doing some ultimate spoilers. I've already looked. I can say that I'm not impressed. I mean, I'm kind of impressed, but I'm also not impressed. Does that make any sense? So if you guys are interested, then definitely keep on watching. And if you're interested in this gorgeous fall vibes eye look that I just did, well, guess what, my friends? I did 7 looks with this palette. It's the new Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. It's a phenomenal palette, you guys. I will link this video down below once it's up. It's gonna be up after this spoiler, but you definitely need to check it out. It's a solid palette. But in the meantime, I will have linked down below my Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette review. I did 6 looks on that. I'll have it linked below. And also the new Jeffree Star Summer Collection. I'll have that video linked below as well. Go check it out because I am kind of going a little whoop and like separating myself from just spoilers and unboxings and also reviewing makeup. So if you would, I would love to have you guys as viewers on those videos as well. But anyways, if you guys are enjoying these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It really would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, really quick, if you have not seen my how much YouTube paid me my first year being monetized, I will have that video linked below. It is definitely very interesting, and it might be very intriguing to you just to see that side of YouTube. So if you are interested, I'll have it linked below. Go check it out. But let's get into the spoilers. I'm gonna start out by talking about this bag. Now, you cannot tell me that this bag does not scream fall vibes, Halloween vibes. Yes, please. Now, last year, the bag was not at all fall themed, fall at all Halloween themed. I don't remember what the bag was exactly, but I know that we were all like really disappointed. That's as much as I can remember about it. But this one's so cute. It has the little wheel. What is this even called? I know it's like, I don't know. Somebody let me know what this is supposed to represent, but we have the little lips, lipstick, a little brush, a cute little heart, the Ipsy logo name, a moon, a wand for mascara, a little compact, and it's just so cute. And then the little zipper with the moon and the star. I'm in love. I love this bag. Let me know if you guys are loving this bag too. Are you happy that they're actually doing a fall Halloween-y type bag? Let me know. So let's get on with the spoilers. So the first spoiler is the Dr. Brandt's Pore Dermabrasion. Now, this is the problem that I have. I just picked this, I think. What did I pick? Hold on. For my Ipsy Plus, I picked the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliator. What is this? Oh yeah, this is the exact same thing that I just chose in my Plus for September, so it kind of sucks that this is going to be an ultimate. This is what I hate about Ipsy. I feel like ultimate products should be for the ultimate only, so it seems more exclusive than, oh hey, I could get the Plus or the ultimate and get the same products, or I could just get the Plus and eventually get the items from the ultimate in my Plus and it'd be all Gucci. Like, I don't like that. And if you haven't seen the new quarterly upgrade they're wanting to do for the Plus, which is $78 for 8 products, I'll let you know. I'll link it down below. Go check it out. But this ain't it. The fact that, you know, I'm over the, like, you could get the same product in both of the boxes, $25 and $50. I'm over that. We need exclusivity for these products. Just let me know your opinion on that. Unless you're somebody that likes to not pay for the $50 box and then eventually get those products, then you guys are just sitting back having a good time. Next up, we have something from Glow Recipe, which is actually really exciting. This is the Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. This is a product that I want, but I'm not buying the Ultimate next month, but I do want this product. So fingers crossed it's in the Plus so we can choose it. We've seen a lot of Glow Recipe, the Watermelon collection, in Boxycharm, and now I guess they're coming over to Ipsy, giving us some glow recipe, which I'm here for. I'm into it. Anyways, next up from Naked Cosmetics, this is the 4-piece pigment set. I know we've had this before in the past. I'm not sure if these are the exact same colors. I do have to say that these colors are definitely fall vibesy, you know, with the purple color and then the other shades, which, you know, that could be any time of the year, but the purple kind of makes it kind of seem like fall vibes because purple is such a fall color. But I have to say, I don't care for pigments, like loose pigments in me, no thank you. What you do is you like dab a little bit out, wet a brush, do it. That's too much for me. I don't want to do that. But if you're into pressed pigments, then that's so cool. But for me and pressed pigments, we don't like her. So I wouldn't be interested. Next up from Mayel Beauty, this is the Eyelash Curler. If you guys didn't know, Mayel used to be an MLM. I don't think they are anymore because they got sued by the other MLM, Unique. You guys know I do not support MLMs whatsoever. We don't like them. They're predatory and disgusting. But anyways, I actually have this eyelash curler and I've been using it because I did get it for free. So I'm just using it because they sent me the wrong item in my Ultimate, and so they put in a free product because I had already received the product. So I have this eyelash curler. I have to say it's a good eyelash curler. It curls my lashes. It's very firm. And I mean, I don't have anything bad to say about the eyelash curler other than I don't like the company. But anyways, the last spoiler is the Milk Makeup Cannabis Hydrating Face Mask. And if I'm being honest, I'm pretty sure this was a choice item for the Boxy Luxe this month that we're going to be getting. I can't remember, but I know I didn't choose it because I wasn't into it. I don't want any kind of like CBD cannabis infused kind of makeup. I know that sounds silly, but I'm like against everything that comes to like being a drug, even if it's natural and like even like legal now in states. I'm still like not for it, not against it. So don't come for me. I just don't like that kind of stuff, so I don't really want that in my makeup. But even though I know it's stupid, but like I'm such a prude, okay? I'm a prude. Whatever, that's fine. But yeah, I don't know how much this would last, honestly. The little like nub looks like a docked tail on a dog. For a mask, I don't know how long this would last as like a product. I feel like you would probably use it like half a stick on your face each time. I don't know. It says gotta be somewhere in a flash. This mask formula is concentrated, allowing you to apply less product than with traditional clay masks. So I guess maybe you don't need that much. This means you get all the benefits in 5 to 10 minutes. Hemp derivative cannabis seed oil hydrates your skin and helps with moisture retention over time. Glycerin and humectant, I don't know, helps seal in moisture. This mask also calms with aloe and cleanses with kaolin clay, making it one magical multitasker. If you're into this, then go for it. You might like it. I don't know. Good thing I'm not getting the Ultimate. I wouldn't want that for my own personal reasons. But anyways, that is all of the spoilers for the Ultimate this month. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Do these spoilers sound like the Ultimate's gonna be good for October or no? Let me know down below. You know I love to hear your thoughts and opinions. But anyways, that is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, then please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!